Welcome to Biology My Passion. I am Soumya Harikrishna. We have been doing a series of revision questions in biology class 10, and we started with the autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Today we will do some competency based questions across the chapter life processes. For your information, all videos are available in my channel in both English as well as Malayalam. You can check the playlist separately for these two languages. For class 10 questions, you can see the description box. I will give the link in the description box, in which you will find multiple choice questions, genetics problems and other competency based questions, chemistry MCQs and physics numericals. Without much ado, let's start the first question. Observe the diagrammatic representation of a process happening in our body. In which of these regions or organs could it be taking place? Lungs, heart, kidneys. First you see the diagram, it shows exchange of gases. But you can see that from the blood carbon dioxide is going out and oxygen is entering into the blood. This can happen only in the lungs between alveolar capillaries and air in the alveoli. So we can find the answer only in lungs. The image shows oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in the human heart. What is the direction of deoxygenated blood from right ventricle of the heart? Right ventricle receives the deoxygenated blood flowing down from the right auricle. So since it is deoxygenated blood, it will be sent to the lungs for oxygenation through pulmonary artery. So here the answer is towards the lungs. In photosynthesis, the source of oxygen released is, we know that oxygen is released by the splitting of water, so the answer here is water. Which of the following is not a digestive enzyme contained in the pancreatic juice? Lipase, hydrochloric acid, mucus and trypsin. We know only lipase and trypsin are the enzymes among the given options, so the answer would be 2 and 3, option C. Observe the experimental setup shown below. What does this setup demonstrate? This setup demonstrates carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis, because this is a bell jar experiment in which potassium hydroxide is kept for absorbing carbon dioxide. Observe the figure given below. Name the part indicated as A in the experimental setup which changes its color. We have taken lime water in the test tube to test for the presence of carbon dioxide in the exhaled air. Option C. What is the aim of the given experiment? Here, this experiment is to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Identify the type of nutrition exhibited by the given figure. Here, amoeba is engulfing its food. This process is called endocytosis. This is a kind of holozoic nutrition where food is taken inside the body and then digested. The image shows the process of making food by plant. Which statement can be concluded from the image? Plants absorb carbon dioxide from air and water from the soil as raw materials and convert them into glucose. Option A. Which is the correct sequence of air passage during inhalation? Last option is the correct one. Nostrils leads into pharynx, pharynx to larynx, larynx to trachea, trachea to alveoli. The opening and closing of stomatal pore depend upon, option C, water in guard cells. The blood leaving the tissues becomes richer in tissue. The respiration takes place inside the mitochondria of the cells and the carbon dioxide is produced, which will be given to the blood leaving the tissue. So answer would be option A, carbon dioxide. The opening and closing of the stomatal pore depend upon water in the guard cells. The reason for diffusion inefficiency in multicellular organisms is, answer is big size and complex body designs. Next is an assertion reasoning question. Assertion: accumulation of lactic acid in the muscles causes muscle cramp. Yes, it is correct. Reason: during vigorous physical exercise, leg muscles respire anaerobically, which will result in the production of lactic acid. So here we can say option A is the answer. Assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Assertion: lipases help in the emulsification of fats. Reason: lipases hydrolyzes fats and oils. Here assertion is wrong. Emulsification of fat is the function of bile. Lipase is helping in digestion of fat. So assertion is wrong. Birds and mammals cannot tolerate mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Assertion is a true statement. Reason: birds and mammals are animals with four-chambered heart. Yes, that is also correct, but it is not the explanation. So we can say option B, assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion: ureters are the tubes which carry urine from kidneys to the bladder. Yes, it is a correct statement. Reason: urine is stored in the urethra. It's a wrong statement. Urine is stored in the urinary bladder. So here we can see the option C, assertion is correct, reason is false. In human heart, there is no mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Yes, assertion is correct. Reason: valves are present in the heart which allows the movement of blood on only one direction. That is also a correct statement, but it is not the correct explanation. The mixing is prevented by the septum which separates the chambers completely. So here we can say assertion and reason both are correct, but not the correct explanation. Assertion: heart chambers and arteries have valves. It is a wrong statement. Heart chambers have valves, but veins have valves, not arteries. Reason: valves prevent the backflow of blood. Yes, that's a correct statement. So we can say option D, assertion is wrong, reason is correct. Hope you understood the concepts well. Any doubt, please ask me in the comment box. In the next video, we will see some descriptive questions, competency based. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Biology My Passion. Thank you for watching.